open, oh God. We pray that you take control in the name of Jesus. That you lead us and you direct everything that will be going on here today in the name of Jesus. And in accordance to your most holy way, Lord. And Lord, at the end of the day, you will take all the glory in Jesus' mighty name. Amen.
I would like to extend my welcome. It's so nice to see all of you here on this Saturday morning. The sun is shining and it's a wonderful opportunity and time to celebrate International Women's Day. So again, welcome to OGAV's first. It's our inaugural Mother-Daughters event in celebration of International Women's Day. And as many of you know, International Women's Day is a day of celebration globally, throughout the world and in our own communities, celebrating the social, economic, and political achievements of women around the world and in our own communities.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for coming. You're welcome to this amazing event. However, I've been told that I don't have more than 2 minutes to just speak about OGAV. OGAV is an organization that is a non-for-profit organization, very passionate about mentoring and nurturing girls to empower them to achieve and have a better future. However, there are so many things that are going on around the girls that we feel that we need to have a holistic approach to how we actually mentor and nurture the girls. And that's one of the reasons why we are here this morning, because we felt that whichever faith you're coming from, if the foundation is not right, what can the righteous do? How can we better help our girls if the foundation at home is not right? At the moment, we find ourselves competing with technology. We find ourselves competing with societal pressure, peer pressure out there. And so the moral values that our girls are supposed to have to actually build their self-esteem, to build their self-confidence, to make them better achievers out there, it's been in a way, it's been competed for. And so where OGAV is actually coming in to work alongside the parents so that we can better help our girls to achieve.
Globally and implement locally. And this is why this breakfast is here. I did have PowerPoints on financial empowerment and well-being, but since I'm supposed to talk on relationship, I'll just skip right to that section. A lot of times, even in school, I think I do too much. I go overboard, and I have to learn to stop sometimes. So I'm just going to go quickly to the relationship. Because that is my topic, that's what I'm supposed to be speaking about. And I'm just going to define relationship. You know, a lot of times we look at it just broadly from relationship between family, friends, neighbor. And here, the dictionary meaning says that this is in a way in which two concepts. I mean, relationship are defined by the concept that brings the two people together. And they are connected. It's a state of being connected. But I just want to focus on relationship and empowerment. We want to see how a woman's early experience in life, even from the family unit, can shape the orientation in life. You know, I'm standing here before you. My mom barely finished grade 6, but she was surrounded by, she worked in an organization where her boss was a physician, and she saw that potential in me, and she encouraged me even from young. And as a child, you know, like today before coming here, I was thinking, how can I, being raised by a woman that barely finished grade 6 and I'm at the doctoral level, it doesn't add up in the society. And I just realized the key importance of being your empowerment, being nurtured from when you're young. And you can do that in several ways. So when you're empowered, even from home, it gives you new vision. It makes you see life differently. It empowers you to move forward, to go beyond and above.
So that trend now, like as a parent, I was taught that way, I was brought up that way. How am I going to instill something like telling my daughter now to empower herself? It's like, you know, how am I going to do that when I did not grow up with that kind of thing?
Yeah, that's why we have forums like this to be enlightened, to be informed about.
What's the question?
She said, as a woman growing up, and you're told to be heard, to be seen and not heard, how do you translate a different opinion to your child because you didn't grow up knowing that you need to be a parent? How can you teach a child what you're not taught? That's her question, if I'm right. Yeah, one of the things is through education, through nurturing. A lot of us, I have come a long way from a background of being seen and not heard. But through education, that empowered me to know that I have something to, I have skills that my community needs. I have something to contribute to the world. And along the path in life, we might start.
So I thought it was very important to just share some of these facts to set the context for our next guest speaker and the importance of financial literacy when we're talking about balance for better in the context of International Women's Day. So I would like to invite Mrs. Rebecca Ona to share her knowledge with us. Thank you.
The first thing I need to do is to plan. And planning is one of the biggest difficult things to do in life. The reason is that when we plan, it's just like we are laying foundation. When we lay foundation, we can't see the beauty of that foundation. Why? Because it has not been tested. And until our plan is tested by questions, that's when we know whether we have done it right or not. But we need to plan. And under planning, that is where we do budgeting. That's where we check. Okay, thank God we are in March now. By this time, every one of us, or some of us have not, some of us have, we received our payslip T4. We started receiving our T4, and a lot of us are surprised, and we might say, did I really earn this? Yes, we did. So how come if I earned what is on this T4, whether you have 2 T4 or 3, how come it's still not balancing? How come are things not still coming together? It is because from the beginning we did not plan. How come is it that after, if I earn 100,000, I'm still having credit card debt? Why? Why is it that way? It's because from the beginning, if we did not plan, we are going to go out and buy what we did not plan for. If we plan for things and we let's say I'm going to a grocery store, I know that I want to spend $20, that is what I have. If I get to a grocery store and I see things on sale or things like, we say there's a deal, am I going to go out of my way? And because the only thing I have for groceries this week is $20. So now I saw spaghettis on sale 2 for $1. I saw different things, they are all on sale. Wow. And January is when those things, January, February, because they know that we've spent a lot for Christmas. So everything is down, everything is really cheap. So am I going to go out of my way and spend more than $20. If I go out of my way to spend more than $20, that means I'm going to put those other bills somewhere. In accounting, when you don't know where to put it, they call it suspense. But in this one, for the cash to come out, it's not going on suspense account, it's going to go on credit.
People that you're mentoring to take. I guess those are pretty different because the wedding is just for one day. But yeah, what kind of steps would you recommend to take? Especially even if you're planning for a small wedding, it can still cost a lot to some people. So
You just have to caution yourself, That's what I'm trying to say. Thank you very much.
What I could possibly have to contribute today when I was asked to be here. It is an honor to be here with you celebrating International Women's Day 2019. Thank you so much. I'm a teacher. I work with Yinka at a school in Peel in Mississauga. And I'm currently teaching health and physical education. And I was wondering, what could this possibly contribute to the discussion today? But from the first two presenters, I see how the topic of wellness and health is a perfect link to developing and empowering ourselves as women and our daughters as well. This is a topic I believe in 100% because I have personally just gone through a huge life transition myself, and I can connect to it personally, and I see it happen every day at school with students. I work with small children from 3 to 11. That's her. That's my daughter, actually.
That's good.
And so I decided to call it Fueling Personal Power Through Wellness. We've talked about this already today, the different aspects of our personal wellness. In preparing for today, there were actually a couple of areas of wellness that I had not considered. Intellectual wellness, emotional wellness, physical wellness, social, environmental wellness was one that I had not heard of before. Financial wellness, occupational wellness, spiritual wellness. Today I'm talking mainly about physical and how we can use our physical health literacy to empower ourselves in other areas of our lives. I would probably go on Participaction because they have good videos.
Sorry.
Participaction, which is like a Canadian-funded wellness site. Participaction, kind of a weird name. But there is another great one that just came out. It's with Oprah and Deepak Chopra, and they have this meditation challenge. So that would be mental, a great mental wellness piece, and it's going to be, I think, 21 days of guided meditations from them, and it's free, and you can download the app.
Another number 195634. 195634. And the last one before we break up. Yes, the last one before we break up. 195801.
Okay.
Equal access.
Now, I really don't think that girls from learning about feminism, we have to make a distinction about.
That's another big discussion. That's another big point. Because when you ask, I say I was born right, and I don't need to be told that. My mother's maiden name is right? It's W-R-I-G-H-T. So I say I was born right, so you don't need to tell me I'm wrong.
Can I just say, and there's one of the people, yeah, fix them all. Anyone else want to share?
My working share right now, so there's a lot about
What do you do as well?
I go to
No, like anything? Jim, nothing? Oh no. I'll figure it out soon. That's okay. What do you want to do here, Older?
And so shall we just do it for over? I know you have a lot of experience from your own family situation, and I'm sure the ladies did enjoy you answering that program with us today.
I enjoyed it. There was more I lost from them, and I'm sure they all happy.
It's I think it's both ways. So we need to say thank you to you very much. We're grateful. And our keynote speaker, she was a doctor in the making. Mrs. Dr. Olujimi. Yes. Thank you very much for speaking on relationship as well. I'm always a firm believer that we need to get it right at home. Mothers have a lot to do. We need to build our foundation. We need to step out of our comfort zone to be intentional with our children and to make sure that our girls succeed. I'm not in a way, but someone once said to me, she said, why are you championing the cause of women or girls and not boys? And I said, maybe because I went to girls' school, or maybe because really and truly it's because of what I'm called to do. And I'm very passionate about girls being peaceful. And so thank you very much for all that you do. We appreciate you. Thank you. Our financial literacy. As you were speaking, my ladies on my table, the head declining. You were talking about deals, and I'm like, I need to be disciplined. Personally, I know I need to be disciplined, right? Because I go into the store, and I'm like, the spaghetti is two for $1. And I'm saying to myself, if I buy it now, I'm saving money, and so far I'm gonna buy. But now you make me feel very bad. I'm like, thank you. And I hope once we call you again, you'll come back. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time. And who can say if you love